Deadliest hurricanes in history, top 5. Number 5, Hurricane Maria, 2017. Striking Puerto Rico, Maria caused catastrophic flooding and widespread destruction. It led to nearly 3,000 deaths and left millions without power. Number 4, Hurricane Mitch, 1998. Mitch devastated Central America, especially Honduras and Nicaragua. Torrential rains triggered landslides and floods, killing over 11,000 people. Number 3, Galveston Hurricane, 1900. This hurricane hit Galveston, Texas, and remains the deadliest in U.S. history. Strong winds and a massive storm surge claimed an estimated 8,000 lives. Number 2, Hurricane Katrina, 2005. Katrina struck New Orleans, Louisiana, causing levee failures and severe flooding. The storm resulted in over 1,800 deaths and massive property damage. Number 1, Bola Cyclone, 1970. Hitting East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, the Bola cyclone is the deadliest tropical cyclone ever recorded. It killed an estimated 500,000 people and caused unimaginable devastation.